Angel food cake is light and airy, almost like a delicate cloud that melts in your mouth. It is like a cloud on your plate, offering a delightful and ethereal experience with every bite. This cake is a perfect dessert for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, a wedding, or just a casual get-together with friends and family. The cake is made with simple ingredients like egg whites, sugar, and flour, but the magic lies in how they are combined. It is important to follow the recipe carefully to get the perfect texture. Each step, from whipping the egg whites to folding in the flour, must be done with precision. Angel food cake is best served fresh out of the oven, when its texture is at its peak. Pair it with fresh berries or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra touch of sweetness. Enjoy! Before you start baking, make sure you have all the ingredients. It's essential to gather everything you need beforehand to ensure a smooth baking process. This preparation step will save you time and prevent any last-minute scrambles for missing items. You will need egg whites, which are crucial for giving your cake that light and airy texture. Sugar to add sweetness, and cake flour, which provides the perfect structure for your cake. Cream of tartar to stabilize the egg whites, salt to enhance the flavors, and vanilla extract for that delightful aroma and taste. You will also need some equipment. Having the right tools is just as important as having the right ingredients. You will need measuring cups and spoons to ensure precise measurements, mixing bowls for combining your ingredients, and an electric mixer to make the mixing process easier and more efficient. And an Angel food cake pan, which is specifically designed to help your cake rise properly and bake evenly. Once you have all your ingredients and equipment laid out, you are ready to start making the cake. Proper preparation is key to a successful baking experience, so take your time to ensure everything is in place before you begin. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial to ensure that your cake bakes evenly and rises properly. Make sure your oven is clean and free of any previous food residues that might affect the flavor or smell of your cake. Next, carefully separate the egg whites from the yolks. It's important to do this without getting any yolk into the whites, as even a small amount of fat can prevent the whites from whipping up properly. Use fresh, cold eggs for the best results. In a large, clean bowl, beat the egg whites until they are foamy. This initial beating helps to incorporate air into the whites, which is essential for the light and airy texture of the cake. Use a hand mixer or a stand mixer on medium speed. Gradually add the sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to beat the egg whites. This slow addition helps to stabilize the mixture and create a glossy, stiff peak. Be patient and take your time with this step. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cream of tartar, and salt. The cream of tartar acts as a stabilizer for the egg whites, while the salt enhances the flavor of the cake. Make sure the dry ingredients are well combined and free of lumps. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the egg white mixture. Use a spatula to gently fold the dry ingredients into the egg whites, being careful not to deflate the mixture. Fold until just combined, ensuring there are no streaks of flour. Pour the batter into an ungreased Angel food cake pan. The ungreased pan allows the batter to cling to the sides as it rises, creating the characteristic height and texture of an Angel food cake. Smooth the top of the batter with a spatula. Bake the cake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Avoid opening the oven door during baking, as this can cause the cake to collapse. Once baked, let the cake cool completely in the pan. Invert the pan onto a cooling rack to prevent the cake from collapsing as it cools. This step is crucial for maintaining the cake's structure and texture. Now you have a delicious Angel food cake. Slice it with a serrated knife to avoid compressing the airy texture. Serve it plain or with fresh berries and whipped cream for an extra special treat. Enjoy your homemade creation. Angel food cake is best served fresh. It can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. You can add your favorite toppings. Some popular toppings include fresh berries, whipped cream, and chocolate sauce. Enjoy your delicious homemade Angel food cake. Enjoy!